International mindedness is at the heart of the IB. It is central to its philosophy and inspires and informs its pedagogical principles and practices. International mindedness is closely connected to the learner profile, so you may want to go back and look at that as you integrate international mindedness into your course outlines. International mindedness can be utilized in all courses of study. For instance, the study of language and literature is instrumental in developing an awareness and understanding of the self and how the self relates to others. Through the study of texts written originally in the language studied and in translation, students gain an understanding of the ways in which different languages and literatures represent the world and how these can reflect and help create diverse identities. Language acquisition courses do not have as their only goal the development of language skills, but also fostering intercultural understanding and global engagement. The nature of the language acquisition process supports international mindedness and is, in turn, supported by it. Teachers should encourage students to view aspects of the language and culture from different, and sometimes differing, perspectives, to make non-judgmental comparisons of language and culture, and to view language and culture in a global context. Under our Individuals in Society track, international mindedness is at the heart of our course, Environmental Systems in Society. The principles of evaluating issues from a local to a global perspective, of being aware of diverse environmental value systems, and of seeking to create innovative solutions to environmental issues directly address international mindedness. On a global organizational level, many international bodies now exist to promote environmental issues. United Nations bodies such as UNESCO, UNEP, and the International Panel of Climate Change, the IPCC, are well known. But in addition, there are hundreds of other international bodies such as the Worldwide Fund of Nature, WWF, who also have their own websites for environmental systems and societies teachers to resource as they build those elements into their program. And sciences are no different. Computer science, for example, which is the course that we're building, is itself an international endeavor. The exchange of information and ideas across national boundaries, international mindedness has been essential to the progress of the subject. The development of technological solutions may be at a local or national or global scale. Therefore, teachers of computer science should study a range of examples from different geographical locations as well as different scales of implementation. Developments such as open source software, the emergence of social networking, and the need to understand shifting laws and requirements as you move from region to region all epitomize the importance of international mindedness in computer science. In mathematics, the global exchange of mathematical information and ideas is not a new phenomenon and has been essential to the progress of mathematics. Indeed, many of the foundations of modern mathematics were laid many centuries ago by diverse civilizations, Arabic, Greek, Indian, and Chinese, among others. Having students understand this is bringing international mindedness into the classroom. Mathematics can transcend politics, religion, nationality, and throughout history, great civilizations have owed their success in part to their mathematicians being able to create and maintain complex social and architectural structures. Many early mathematicians were political and military advisors, and today, mathematicians are integral members of teams who advise governments on where money and resources should be allocated. All of these applications bring mathematics into an international mindedness perspective. Finally, in the arts, film, the class we're building, we'll have students that will study films from a variety of cultures, and they will have the opportunity to study a range of contrasting contexts. Through creating, investigating, critically analyzing cinematic forms and styles, students deepen their understanding of film as well as their knowledge, understanding, and experience of the arts within a global community. Students can also use film to recognize the unique ways in which particular cultures express and represent their values and identity through shared artistic endeavors. International mindedness is part of the core of IB and is strongly embedded in not only the name, but also the mission statement to create intercultural understanding and intercultural respect.